this video we are talking about how to create a YouTube channel. So let's start. So friends, first we going to YouTube, Google's, and type Gmail, because your Gmail account is connected on your YouTube channel. So you first, if you are Gmail account, so simply log in your Gmail account. If you not Gmail account, so you create first Gmail account, then put your name, first name, last name, then your username, then passwords, and confirm your password, and then next. This is a simple step to creating your Gmail account. So now your Gmail account is created, so you go on the YouTube and create your YouTube channel. So simple, you go on this channel, create your new channel, and I sharing you this link on my description box, so you easily creating your YouTube channel. So type your YouTube channel, for example MG Tricks. This is my YouTube channel name, and simply this channel name, this channel is created. Then you go first custom. This is your channel name, this is your logo, and this is your custom channel. So you go custom channel and upload your logo and channel arts, and type your description, this box. In this channel I upload tips and tricks video. So this is a simple description of my channel. So in this next video we are talking about how to create a logo and how to upload logo and how to creating channel arts.